You stupid hammer. You? Have you been paying your life subscription? Probably not. Dead. Decapitation. Out of here. Just like that. Cut off your head. How about you cut off your head? Oh my god, I can't cut off a head right now. Now, I use it to fight your brother. And then use his head to fight the next. Pretty straightforward system. I missed 3 times. Well, 2. Then I hit the 3rd time. How did you not take damage from that? Let go of my knife. Alright, this is the instant death of hammer. This is the instant hammer. It casts instant death upon you. Upon hit on the head, obviously. Not like that. You're not supposed to move. Man, let go of my knife, bro. Okay, yeah, I'm maining this weapon for this guy. This weapon is my new main whenever I come across this final boss guy. Cause he just sucks. I hate him. Bro might be a new old version zombie. Look at how he sounds. Look, listen to how he sounds. How'd you even hit me? These guys are stronger than you. He's not dead? I could have sworn I heard the death sound. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get out of here. Oh shoot, he's been alive too long. He's still not dead. Oh my god, it's scary when they go freaking, whenever they go enraged or something like that. What stabbed, bro? Anyways, whenever they go like enraged or something like that, it just kind of scares me badly. Where have you been? Dang, I think I missed. Dang, I think I missed. Dang, I missed again. Gotcha. Give me this. I hit that! Give me that. I lost it. And I think that might be a tad bit too far. No, no. Come here. Come here. Come here, I'm just myself. Never mind, that don't work. Dang. That guy's durable. Your free subscription to life ends here. It's either you pay your subscription or you die. I ain't pay my subscription, so they trying to kill me. But they ain't pay their subscription either. What knocked bro over? I made him fall over. So if you throw a knife at him, just makes him fall over. It didn't make him fall over. Get this stupid knife. How did that hit his head? Freaking stab him. Not mean to grab that gun. Dang, headset battery is low. Please plug in your headset. I don't give a crap. Where my knife at? Get this. At least I have a backup. Missed. You too. Yo, that was crazy. That did not go. No, you throw bullets, not guns, idiot. Wait, where's my other knife? Oh, right here. Where's my hammer at then? Where's my hammer at? My hammer? Oh, here it is. Yo, get away from my hammer, gang. Get away from my hammer, gang. Delivery that got here 10 years after I ordered because of the apocalypse. Okay. One hit and I'm dead. Yeah, no, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Game over, bro. Yes! I might actually survive this boss fight. This guy's faster. So we got a big... Guns don't give him damage? What? How did he hit me? Bro, this game sucks, bro. This game actually sucks, bro. Give me this. Give me all of this. Pistol. Axe? Spike bat? What's next? I don't know. Solid gold shopping cart paid only. Extra holsters? Oh, that's unfair. That means I have to pay for all of these. Get this stupid card out of here, man. And stay out!